Alright, y'all. So we already at the point of the year where a lot of sneakers already done came out. A lot of heat done came out so far this year. A lot of heat's been announced so far this year, you know. A lot of sneakers upcoming that we haven't even, you know, seen in hand yet. But I believe enough pictures have been, you know, leaked, enough shoes have been dropped to say, you know, to pretty much crown that sneaker king, you know, crown the sneaker of the year. Now, some people, you know, they all got their own opinions. You know, some people are biased towards certain shoes. You know, that's cool. You know, that's fine. I understand that. You know, some of y'all might believe the Travis Scott, you know, reverse mochas is the sneaker of the year, and you know, I understand your reason behind that. You know, of course, you know, it's a dope shoe. You know, crazy details. Some of y'all might believe, you know, the Air Jordan 1 Taxi Highs or the Yellow Toes, whatever you want to call them, might be the sneaker of the year. I can understand that too. You know, crazy leather. You know, we haven't had a Jordan 1 with that kind of leather in I don't know how long. Or, you know, but that's just y'all opinion. You know, that's some people might believe that, you know, hey, I understand that. But me personally, I got another shoe in mind, you know. Another sneaker that has some details that haven't been, you know, used before on too many shoes. At least I haven't seen this, you know, this detail, this you know, creation done on any other Jordan 1 or any other shoe in general. And that's just my personal opinion on what I believe the sneaker of the year is, you know. And without further ado, you know, ladies and gentlemen, that sneaker that I believe is sneaker of the year is the Air Jordan 1 High Lost and Found. Alright, y'all, you already know who it is. It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now you already see the box, you already know what I'm talking about, man. If you don't know by now, then hey, catch up, because this some heat. This is major heat. You know what I'm saying? This is probably hands down the best sneaker of 2022, and it ain't even out yet. But I'm telling you, right now, mark my words, this shoe is definitely gonna be the best sneaker of 2022. Like, you know, normally I don't do too much, you know, in-depth talking about the box itself, but this box, man, this box has so many details on it. Like, so much going on with this box, man. Like, the side panel, you can see it has like 2 sale stickers on there, as if the shoe, you know, of course, went on sale twice, multiple times, which is something that you really won't even see nowadays. You know what I'm saying? Especially not with a Jordan 1. You will barely see a Jordan 1 High go on sale, you know, that often. Especially in a colorway like this. Oh yeah, that's not happening. Another thing I like about the box is how distressed it is. You know, like, as if the shoe has been, you know, just sitting up, been tossed around. The box has just been like beat up, abused, you know, bruised, you know, just left behind. You know, like I said, the shoe is called Lost and Found. So that's what this is, a lost box that was found with a replacement lid, which is, I think if I'm not mistaken, is the AJ1KO, you know, that lid, which is so dope in my opinion, man. But enough about the box. The details on the inside of the box is wild too, man. You know, after that, man, you got this crazy old school receipt, man, from the 80s. Like, it shows you, like, you know, how much they paid, the customer's name, you know, it's just everything on the shoe, man. The price, the date, like, so many crazy details, man. Like, not even just the receipt itself, but like the paper that comes to, you know, with the shoe. You get like a bunch of old school Jordan ads, like all over the paper, man. Like, the whole entire paper just comes complete with like multiple different old school Jordan ads from the 80s. Like when the Jordans first dropped, man. Like, so crazy, man. Like, so dope. It's even showing on here like the price, man, back then when it was $29.99 on sale, if y'all can see that. Like, that's so crazy to me, man. Like, regular price was $65 back then. Nowadays, you get a pair of Jordan for $65, you gotta come up. Like, that's a steal. That's a steal deal, in my opinion. But enough about the box, man. This sneaker itself, man, self-proclaimed, self-titled, sneaker of the year, man. Like, this shoe, the details in this shoe, man, like the time they put into this shoe. Now, I was skeptical at first when they first announced this sneaker. I'm like, okay, they got it reimagined. What do they mean by reimagined? What they gonna do to the shoe? Like, what can they do to a Chicago 1 high to make it different? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I want Chicago 1 high, so what are they gonna do to it? So are they gonna ruin the shoe? But when I seen pictures leak, I was like, oh yeah, that's the one. And then seeing it in hand, like the details in this shoe, like the camera might even do it no justice, man. Like, just this shoe in general, man, is a dope shoe, man. Like, the cracked leather on the toe box, if y'all can see that, man, like, it's crazy. And then the cracked leather all over the upper, all over the collar of the shoe, man. Like, that's the details, man. Like, that's what makes this sneaker, in my opinion, sneaker of the year. And I like the fact that they even got like an aged kind of sort of tongue on the shoe, like a cream tongue. Like, the way they went about doing this sneaker is really dope in my opinion. It doesn't have like a true, you know, 85 shape to it, but even still though, you know, it has like if I'm not mistaken, I think the Jordan 1s from the 85 had this kind of Nike Air tag on it as well. Like, it was more of a thin font compared to how it is now, like a more thicker font. So that's also dope in my opinion. And I do like how it comes with only 2 laces. So if you got a pair and you got, you know, some red laces with it or something like that, hey, I'm sorry to tell you, you got yourself a replica. But I like how they got the laces like already laced up inside here. Like, you got the black on top and then you got the white on the bottom, which, you know, a dope little touch. Normally we have lace bags, but they have them like, you know, pre-laced inside the shoe, which is, you know, which is real cool in my opinion. You know, you don't got to worry about having to get these bags, take them all out and everything. It's already in the shoe. So yeah, take your pick, black or white. Me personally, I might rock with the white laces. I feel like white gonna make the shoe look so much better, man. It's gonna make the shoe pop. Another thing that I like about it, it doesn't have your typical shoe tree. It's like a paper, like, of course, like, you know, something like, probably because, you know, they didn't have no shoe tree, they had to put something in the shoe to, you know, keep together, you know, after all these years. So boom, you got your paper shoe tree inside there, which is, you know, a nice little, you know, detail to the shoe as well. Another thing I like about it is like the bottom of it, man, how like it just looks like it's all dusty, like it's just been sitting up, just sitting in the box, waiting for somebody to come find it for all these years, man, like 30 plus years. You know, just sitting there like, hey, somebody come find me, man. Somebody rock me, man. Like, I need to be rocked. Like, I am, like, this is a Chicago 1, you know what I'm saying? They did the Chicago 1 so much justice when they redid this shoe, man. Like, the reimagined look to this shoe is so clean. This is a clean sneaker, man. Like, I don't care what nobody say. You can have your Travis Scotts, you can have the yellow toes. This shoe right here, yeah, this is the one. Another, you know, little detail y'all might, you know, like to look at is the insole. You know, how just, you know, your plain white insole with the red Nike Air on it, but the back of, you know how, you know, typical Jordan 1s have like the, you know, the blue back. This is a black, you know, back insole. So just in case, you know, for y'all legit checkers out there, when y'all get y'all a pair, if y'all get them early, this is how the insole is gonna look. This is how it is. No blue on the back. It's a straight black insole. So I don't want y'all, you know, getting these shoes and y'all get, you know, scammed because somebody want to rip y'all off on a fake pair or something like that. This is how the shoe is gonna look. You know what I'm saying? Like the whole overall shoe, this is the shoe. Like, this is the sneaker. You know what I'm saying? This is how the shoe is gonna look as far as like the back, how distressed it is around the collar part, how distressed it is around, you know, this little area right here. And even still, like the leather, of course, it's not the softest leather, but it's more of a real stiff leather, but it feels thick. This is a real thick cut of leather. Like, I don't, you know, if I can tell how thick it is by the camera, but it's a real thick cut of leather, but it's real smooth as well. Nice details on this shoe. Overall, my favorite sneaker release in 2022. I might wear these shoes so much this year. Well, the year almost over. We know I got a few more months left, but I'm definitely from this year on out, man. This is probably hands down out of my whole collection, probably one of my favorite sneakers in my whole collection now. Like, probably top 3. You know, once again, both shoes side by side, man. Dope sneakers together. Real nice details on the shoe. Real beautiful shoe, man. The colors blend so. The red is amazing on this shoe. Like, this is nothing about this sneaker that they did wrong. Like, in my opinion, I did everything right now. A lot of y'all probably don't like the cracked leather effect, you know, around the upper. Now, some of y'all don't, you know, really care for it, if you can really see on the camera like that. Some of y'all don't really care for it. Me personally, I think it's dope. I like the cracked leather on the toe box, around the sides of the shoe. I like it. It's, in my opinion, it's a nice touch, especially around this part. It's a nice touch to the shoe. So if you get a chance to get your hands on these, now resale for these shoes right now is through the roof. So I know some of y'all probably don't want to pay the prices that they're going for. Trust me, I don't blame you, because the price is crazy right now. But keep in mind, the shoe releases in November. You know, if you're watching this video, you know it's probably either August or September by the time you watch this video. So it's still early. So you got a chance to get the shoe for a good price. You know, wait. If you want to wait, hold out to November. A lot of people are saying this shoe is projected to drop down in price by the time release day come around, maybe like $600-700. Me personally, that sound good, but man, after getting this shoe in hand, I don't know. I feel like this sneaker might stay around. You know, if you don't get it at the right time, might shoot up to 1,000 plus. That's just my personal opinion. I know that's what the resale is right now, but I feel like, you know, after release, that price could go up to around 1,000 plus as well. Like, you know, more than what it is right now. So if you get a chance to get your hands on these, man, get on sneakers, man. Wherever store they're dropping it, make sure y'all ready for that release day, man. You got plenty of time to prepare. You know, the shoe comes out in November, you know, around Thanksgiving time. Y'all got enough time to save y'all money up, get y'all apps ready, y'all sneakers apps, y'all, you know, Footlock, whatever app it drops on, you know, whatever other raffle sites they get them on, y'all have a chance to get yourself ready for these sneakers to drop. Because you don't want to be sitting there, you know, looking sick when everybody, you know, when your friend hit on sneakers, like, hey, yo, I got the Lost and Found Chicago's, and you sitting there looking like, man, I ain't, you know, what I got? You ain't got them. So make sure y'all ready for this shoe. Y'all get yourselves ready now, get yourself prepared now, because this will be, in my personal opinion, sneaker of the year. Definitely a dope shoe, crazy details, crazy colorway. You know, of course it's just a red, black, you know, white Chicago colorway, but that Chicago colorway is so nostalgic, man. Like this is the Jordan colorway. This is the Jordan color. This is the Jordan 1. You know what I'm saying? The OG Jordan 1. Like you gotta have this as a sneakerhead. If you're a true sneakerhead, this colorway is one that you want in your collection. I'm telling you, for a Jordan 1, you gotta have this colorway in your collection. Like it's only right. It's a must. But man, enough about the sneakers, enough about the shoes. You know, once again, my favorite pair of the year, my favorite pair of my collection right now, most likely. I'm really, you know, excited I get to get my hands on these, to get them on, you know, get them early, so I don't got to worry about, you know, what happens later on down the line. You know, I don't got to worry about missing out on sneakers or whatever. But this is definitely a pair that I might even want to double up on. This is a beautiful shoe, man. Like I said, my favorite release of the year. But hopefully y'all get your hands on this pair, man, on this shoe. If y'all do, hey, I'm rooting for y'all, man. Rooting for y'all to get hit for retail. You know, we're not trying to get resale, we're trying to get for retail. So hopefully we can, everybody who wants the shoe can get for retail, can get for a great price, and get for an amazing price. You know, they got to worry about paying $6, $7, $8, you know, $1,000+ on this shoe. You know, but once again, I appreciate y'all watching my videos, man. If you enjoyed this video, man, smash that like button, man. Smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, man. Like, hit that button, turn it on, man. I got more heat coming, more shoes on the way, man. More reviews on the way for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all, you know, tuning into my videos, getting my numbers up, getting my channel out there, man. You know, on the road to 1,000, you know, subscribers, man. 1K subscribers, man. You know, it's a slow motion, man. Slow motion is better than no motion. So we getting there, you know, we moving on up, getting these numbers up, man. And once again, I appreciate y'all, man, for watching my videos and just for taking the time out to just tune into my channel, man. Like I said, more heat on the way. And I'm gonna catch y'all on my next video, y'all. Peace.